Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 6S, and today I will show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. And once it shuts off, you want to hold power key, volume down, both of them at the same time. And once you see the REALME logo on the screen, you can let go. Choose your language. And from here, you should be now in the recovery mode. So as you can see, you can either install updates from storage, do an online update, wipe data, which includes either a reset of the device or some kind of weird wipe, which retains messages, photos, and basically user data. Then you have reboot and power off. And whatever you choose, you can simply tap on it to confirm it. Now I'm gonna leave this mode, so I'm gonna select reboot and tap on OK to confirm that, and this will in turn boot the device back into the Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.